Hey there, photo wizards! Are you ready to take your photography game to the next level? Well, you're in luck. Click on the link in the description below to grab your special offer on the 1030 Plus Premium Photoshop Actions Bundle. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's talk about this magical bundle. Imagine having over 1030 Photoshop actions all in one place. That's right, folks. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your photos. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this bundle is your new best friend. Now, I know what you're thinking, but do I really need this? Well, let me ask you this. Do you like saving time? Do you enjoy stunning visuals with minimum effort? If you answered yes, then this bundle is for you. Let's dive into what makes this bundle so special. First up, speed. With these actions, you can transform your photos in seconds. No more endless tweaking and adjusting. Just one click and bam, your photo goes from meh to wow. Check out these before and after examples. See how easily ordinary photos become extraordinary? It's like having a magic wand, except it's made of pixels. But wait, there's more. This bundle isn't just about speed, it's about variety. With over 1030 actions, you get a smorgasbord of styles. Vintage, modern, dramatic, you name it. There's something for every mood and every project. Feeling a bit nostalgic? Try the vintage actions. Want to add some drama? Go for the cinematic effects. The possibilities are endless. Now let's talk about ease of use. These actions are designed to be super user-friendly. Even if you're a Photoshop newbie, you'll feel like a pro in no time. Just click, apply, and watch the magic happen. And guess what? This bundle is a one-time purchase. That's right, no recurring fees, no subscriptions. Just one payment, and it's yours for life. Talk about value for money. Still not convinced? Let's hear from some happy users. Show user testimonials. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and unlock your creative potential with the 1030 Plus Premium Photoshop Actions Bundle. It's time to make your photos shine. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you next time.